Where does the name for Coed-y-Glyn come from? So today I'm in a quite large housing estate in the south of Wrexham called Coed-y-Glyn. Let's get into the name. Let's break the name down. First we have Coed, which means a wood or a forest, which is from Brythonic, Coed, Brythonic being the ancestor to Welsh and the language spoken across most of Britain before and during the Roman occupation. And that was from the Proto-Celtic word gaitos, from Proto-Indo-European gait, which meant a forest, wasteland or a pasture. Interestingly, that makes it distantly related to the English word heath. Means the, and glyn is a glen or a valley, usually with a narrow river in it, from Brythonic glyn, from Proto-Celtic glendos. So the area is named after these woods here, Coed-y-Glyn. But if it's a glyn, where is the river? Well, the river is down this road, and it's the Afon Clywedog. I tried to get down to see it, but I got lost in the labyrinthine maze of roads and cul-de-sacs, and got rained on, so I had to retreat. And even though most of Wat's Dyke was demolished when they built the estate here, there's actually a little bit over by the river. I tried to get down, but couldn't find my way through, so... So the name literally means the woods of the valley. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.